The bustling city groaned under the weight of dark clouds, an orchestra of thunder playing its overture as dawn broke. The first light of sunrise dared to peek through the stormy sky, casting an eerie glow over towering skyscrapers and bustling streets. Streets that should be full of people were instead dominated by the sound of rain pattering on asphalt, a symphony of droplets hitting different surfaces. Close-ups reveal raindrops glistening on the edges of leaves, clinging with a fragile tenacity before falling to join the growing puddles below. Each leaf on the sparse city greenery seemed to hold a world within a droplet, reflecting distorted images of neon signs and car headlights in the early morning hue. The camera transitions to a wider shot, capturing reflections rippling on sidewalks and collecting in the dips of uneven concrete. The city's energy is palpable even in the close confines of the rain. Reflections dance amidst the budding life, creating an almost surreal atmosphere. The sound of rain is the conductor here, gentle yet insistent, a steady backdrop to sporadic crackles of thunder that serve as dramatic punctuation. Wind tousles umbrellas, occasionally flipping one inside out as people hurry to their destinations. The raindrops on the camera lens momentarily blur the hectic motion, emphasizing the dreamlike quality of the scene. Ambient noises, muted conversations, distant car engines, the soft hum of city life blend seamlessly with the natural elements. The dawn light flirts with clouds, sometimes allowing golden rays to break free, while other times obscuring them entirely in a gray shroud. The viewer feels a sense of tension and release, an emotional ebb and flow set against the timeless backdrop of a city in motion, soaked by a dramatic rainstorm.